Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw your eyebrows. So if you want to learn something, please keep on watching. So I'll be using this mascara wand. You can get your mascara wand from any makeup store. I'm going to use to brush out the hair. Next on, I'll be going in with the Beautylinebydidi brow pencil. You can use any brow pencil of your choice, but I like this brow pencil because it's very precise and it gives a very natural finish. So I'm just going to be outlining the brows, basically following the shape of our brows. So I'm just going to keep following the shape of our brows, making sure everything is as natural as possible. And you keep brushing, with your mascara wand. Make sure you keep brushing it up, just to ensure that you get a natural finish. As you can see, I'm very light-handed in the front. So I keep brushing it in, brushing the hair so as to achieve a natural finish. As you can see, the brow looks all natural. It's just like I just enhance a natural brows. So after doing that, I'm going to go on to the next side of the brow, repeating the same process I did. I'm just going to go in with my mascara wand. I'm going to brush up the hair. And I'm just going to follow the shape of the brows. So ensuring that I get a natural finish, I'm going to brush the hair again with my mascara wand, and then I'm going to fill in the brow with hair-like strokes, not shading. I'm just with a very light hand, I'm filling in the brows just to make it natural. So I can assure you, if you follow this process, it's going to be very easy for you to draw your brows, and it will be very fast. You just have to follow this process. So after doing all that, I'm going to be going in with the Yangabeauty brow tint. This is to tint the brow to lighten the brows, and also to keep the brow hair in place all through the day. You can skip this process if you don't want to lighten your brows. And there are different types of brow tint. We have there's one from MAC, there's one from Beautylinebydidi, there's also one from Blot. There are different brands. They are cheap and affordable. So as you can see, as I'm applying it, our brows became lighter. So after doing that, I'm going to clean up the brows using a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than our foundation color, but you can go in with just a shade. It depends on your preference. So with this flat brush from Evita Joseph, please don't mind the noise. I've had to run everywhere in this compound to do this voiceover, but we have to do it. So I'm just making sure my hand is very, very steady just cleaning up the brows. As you can see, I'm doing it little by little. I'm making sure my hand is straight and is as steady as possible. And at the same time, I'm trying to blend out the concealer. So I'm going to repeat that same process to the second brow. Please, I'm so sorry, my camera is on autofocus, and whenever my hand comes to the face, it focuses on the hand, on this part of our brow. So just please let me manage. So I was just trying to clean up the brows. Also bear in mind that brows are not sisters, they are not twins. Okay, they are not twins, but they are sisters. So you don't have to make sure it is exactly the same, but just make sure they are close to each other. So I just kept cleaning it up and also blending out the concealer at the same time. So after doing that, I went in with a foundation, our own foundation, the foundation that matches our skin exactly. And I'm just going to use that to clean up the brows at the upper part. This process I don't really do. If your hand is straight, you don't need it. I only did it because of this video. So I'm just using it very, like you can see, I'm using very little foundation so that it's easy for me to blend at the end of the whole day. So I'm just cleaning it out. So repeating the same process for the other brow. I'm just cleaning it up. So I realized that this brow is a little bit bigger than the other one, so I'm just trying to make sure they are a little bit close to looking the same. So after that, I went in with my blending brush. You just need a thick brush that is easy for you to blend, just to blend out the foundation and the concealer. And that is it. Very simple and easy. So just try and follow this process whenever you're drawing your brows. It's going to make it easier for you to draw your brows. So please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to drop your comments, don't forget to share this video, tell your friends about my channel. Thank you. Until the next video, I love you guys. Bye.